Hello guys, thank you for tuning into another video on my YouTube channel. And in this video I want to give you 5 reasons why I think Tiger Woods is the best broker in Ghana 2021. But before we dive deep into this topic, there's 3 things that I want you to do for me. Firstly, like this video. Secondly, subscribe to the channel. And thirdly, turn on the bell notification so whenever I post educative content like this, you will be notified as fast as possible. Let's roll. Welcome back, guys. So Tiger Woods is a UK-based brokerage company, and they are one of the main sponsors of the Liverpool team. So I was fortunate enough to come into contact with the branch manager here in Ghana. We had some few discussions, and he was telling me why he thinks Tiger Woods is the best broker to use. Sorry, guys, it's the best broker to use when you're here in Ghana. So I decided to give it a try, and I've been using Tiger for some time, and trust me, guys, Tiger Woods is the best broker to use, especially when you are here in Ghana. So I'm going to give you 5 reasons why I think Tiger Woods is the best broker to use. So the first point I would like to talk about is Tiger Woods allows you to deposit as low as $50. If you're already into forex trading, you can already tell that most brokers out there allows you to deposit as low as $100. So if you are getting Tiger Woods to give us that space for us to deposit as low as $50, I think it makes it one of the best out there. And one of the funny reasons I also like to add on top of this is, when you convert $100 into Ghana cedis, you can see it's much here. So when you have a broker that is allowing us to deposit as low as $50, I think most retail traders can afford it and deposit or fund their account so they can figure stuff out. And it even becomes more important when you are starting out in forex trading. You are now figuring things out. You are now testing your strategy. You are now testing your psychology. You haven't really mastered forex trading yet. It's best if you have a brokerage firm that allows you to deposit as low as $50 so that you can use that account as a learning process, so that you can use that account as a stage where you try to master your strategy in a live account, and also to master your psychology in a live account. The next thing I also like to talk about is Tiger Woods is one of the brokerage firms that has one of the best user-friendly interface. It's easy for you to find your way around the app. You can see how other masters are doing, the number of followers they have, and how their trades are going. And one of the best things I also realized about the app is able to calculate your risks for you, as compared to other apps that you have to trade in this app and also calculate your risks in the other app. For Tiger Woods, you can trade in the app, and also the app can also calculate your risks for you, so that before you initially put a trade, you know the amount you are risking and the profit you intend gaining if the trade goes well. And even if you don't want to use the Tiger Woods app, you can also get the logins and log in into any MT4 or MT4 or MT5, and which makes Tiger Woods very, very dynamic. That is, if you don't feel comfortable using the Tiger Woods app, you can just log in into any MT5 or MT4 app, which makes it very, very the best on the market. One of the major points I also like to highlight is Tiger Woods is having one of the easy and fastest withdrawal method. You can easily deposit and withdraw when you're using Tiger Woods. We all know how complicated it is when you are using other brokers. Their withdrawal process take a very long time. They have to make a lot of confirmations. Sometimes it take even 5 days or more. But with Tiger Woods, you can easily deposit and withdraw. Immediately you go through the withdrawal process, the assistant will contact you, alerting you that you have asked for withdrawal, and you receive your money in just no time. And as for the deposit method, you can deposit through all the deposit method that you know out there. You can deposit through Skrill, through Netla, through FasaPay. I mean, all the other deposit method that you know, you can do that through Tiger Woods. And what even makes it the best to use in Ghana is you can deposit through mobile money, which makes it the best. We all know how Ghanaians have been using mobile money for transaction these days, and it was a very good initiative for Tiger Woods to allow retail traders in Ghana to deposit through mobile money. So I think this is also one of the points that makes Tiger Woods the best broker to use in Ghana. The fourth point I also want to talk about is you can become a master on Tiger Woods. What do I mean by this? For you to become a master on Tiger Woods, you just have to make sure or know that you are a consistent and profitable forex trader. Immediately you are done signing up, what happens is other traders too can copy your trades that you put in the Tiger Woods app. So immediately you make an order in the Tiger Woods app, other traders too or your followers too can copy the same trades, and the profit that you make, you guys, I think there's a certain percentage split of the profit that they make on every single trade. Okay, so it's just another good way for retail traders to generate income, so they can fund their trading account. You know how difficult it is when you're a trader and you're starting out and you have a small account, so you have to make sure you are doing so many things that you get other streams of income, so you can use that money to fund your account and trade and feel comfortable. So I think it is a very good initiative that Tiger Rate has also implemented. The last point I want to talk about is Tiger Rate offers free education. This is one of the major visions of Tiger Rates, to help new forex traders who have no idea about forex trading but really have the passion to learn forex trading. When you sign up with Tiger Rate, they will send you notifications whenever there's going to be free webinars, free training sessions, and free materials. But before you can join these kind of free training sessions and getting these free materials, you have to sign up with the link I'll leave in the description below. Immediately you're done watching this video, just go down to the description and you see the link. Just create an account with them, and whenever there's going to be a new material, a new training session or free webinars, then you get notifications so you can join these kind of trainings. And these are the reasons why I think Tiger Rate is one of the best brokers to use out there, especially when you are here in Ghana. Thank you for sticking to the end of this video. Don't forget to go in the description below and sign up with Tiger Rate. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notifications. Whenever I post educative content like this, you will be notified as fast as possible. See you in the next one.